Good morning, everyone. Good day to all of you. So I'm back. So I'm here to demonstrate how to use a breadboard. Okay. So let us start. So I'm going to screen share, okay, and show you the breadboard. Okay. So there it is. Okay. So how do we use the breadboard? So first, you need to know what are uh, the parts of the breadboard that is connected. Okay, so basically a breadboard is a temporary, is used in designing uh, circuit temporarily. Okay, so just always remember, okay, so that if we use this one, this hole, let's say for negative supply, okay, so all the rest here, all these holes, no, these holes are all connected to ground. Now, if we use the other one, okay, this one, let's say we use this one for positive supply, okay, for positive supply, all these holes are connected to positive supply, okay? So remember that. Next, okay. So they are all connected to negative supply. So it means that from that part, okay, up to this last hole, this one is supplied with negative. And then the other one is also supplied with positive. Okay. So how about here? So basically, the holes here, okay, on this part, the holes on this part, okay, and on this part. So they are basically connected, okay, uh, vertically, okay. So vertically they are connected. So if you are to connect, let's say positive, you get positive here and connect it here. So all these holes, no, these holes is connected to positive. Okay, all those things are connected to positive. So it means that there is positive supply all throughout the 5 holes. Next, and when you connect negative, okay, on this part of the on this hole, okay, so it means that all the rest here contains negative supply. Okay, all the 5 holes or the 4 holes, remaining 4 holes are connected to negative supply. Okay, then how about the other one here? So the condition here is the same as that of uh, the holes here on top. Okay, so the same thing if you connect. Okay, if you connect, I'm sorry, if you connect positive here, okay, so the same thing will happen. Okay, positive will all be connected. Okay, all these holes, okay, vertically are connected to positive. Okay, and then negative, if you put negative here, so all the rest here, all the 4 holes here are connected to negative. Okay, so the other one here is also or the holes below, okay, are also connected, okay, are also connected horizontally, no, they are horizontally connected. Okay, they are horizontally connected. And then the same thing here. No? If you will use this one as positive source, they are horizontally connected. Okay, so thank you. I hope that you learn how to use the breadboard.